Introducing the 2020 Nissan Sentra. With less than 35,000 miles on this roomy Sentra makes your daily drive fun, comfortable, and convenient. Discover the joy of cornering thanks to sport suspension, precise handling, and crisp acceleration. Then relax and enjoy the cruise in the sleek cabin loaded with tech and clever storage solutions. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, lane keeping assist, 4-cylinder engine, remote engine start, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Here's a sporty Nissan Sentra, the powerful midsize 4-door that prioritizes comfort, convenience, and safety. From its standard suite of driver assist tech to its spacious upscale cabin and thoughtful storage solutions, this snazzy sedan makes your daily drive pure pleasure.